Class winners then, class 94, this was mare with folded foot. First, 412 from E and G Milne, 28 Old Road Huntley. Class 95, a first for 415 from T.A. Gillis, Lady Jane Croft, Lawrence Kirk. Class 96 produced the champion, number 424 from J.M. Thompson. Class 97, that was the reserve champion from G.W. White. Class 98, a first for G and R Skinner, Strathorn Farm at Pitcable with 434. Class 99, first with 436 was G.W. White. On to class 100, this was the best cleaned harness. Gavin I. Holmes from North Parknook Farm, Beamish, Stanley, County Durham, had the first prize there. And for the best decorated harness, it was entry 438, again from Gavin I. Holmes.